For today's recipes, you need spinach, colors of bell peppers, ginger, garlic, ball of onion, paprika, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Add your oil, your ginger and garlic, onion. Add your paprika, some Cameroon pepper, black pepper, a sprinkle of salt. That's finished. Turn your stove in a high heat and don't cover your pot. The spring onion, then serve it. Guys, I'm done cooking. Yeah, I'm serving it with my beans and plantain. This is baked plantain. I bake it with oven. This is vegetable, mixed vegetable. Please, if you like my content, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.